Hi, welcome to This and That Homestead.
We're working on the bird cage today. We're going to try to get it finished up, but how long it will take depends on the weather because we're in the rainy season and I can't use the hedge trimmer or the chainsaw out here, and it's too hard just using the hand pruners or lopers trying to cut down all them vines. That wild grapevine took over. Oh my Lord. We're really fighting it. It's all over my property where we just haven't been keeping up with stuff. So we got a big fight on our hands with that. And the potato air plant, they drop bulbs like crazy. And wherever they land, that's where they grow. So you might want to be careful if you're thinking about introducing that potato air plant to your yard. But they do put out beautiful, huge green heart-shaped leaves. So it might be worth it to you for that.
Yeah, that's all the vines that we've been cutting down over here at this garden area. When we were cleaning out the raised beds, that was the wild grapevine and also the potato air plant. And it is completely covered.
Yeah.
There is vines everywhere.
And trees.
Yeah, trees have grown up in it. We're going to try to do this and get it done little by little, and because there's so many vines out here. But these grapevines are really big, huge, that's wrapped around this cage.
This is grapevines. Look how big it is. It's bigger than my hand clippers.
Until we get it done, that way, while we're working on the garden, we'll have a nice shaded area that we can go and sit in and cool off and just sit down and chill for a bit.
Around the perimeter, we planted Mexican petunia. It's a nice drought-tolerant plant that puts out a pretty little purple bloom every day. But it made a real nice place to step into and sit down and drink your water and cool off while you're taking a break from picking vegetables and stuff. I want to try to put some gravel on the inside and plant some morning glories on the outside after we get it all cleared off, and put our lights back up in there. And we used to sit in there, and we would have little hanging bird feeders, and the birds would make nests and they would come and eat the food. And at night we would go out there and turn on the lights and just sit down and have conversations and play games with the kids. It was real enjoyable. I miss doing that. And of course, you gotta take the snacks. You gotta have that bowl of popcorn.
And the kids would just go over there and go pick tomato off the plant and just eat it.
Yeah, they love those cherry tomatoes. And we're very fortunate that the city we live in picks up the limbs and stuff that we cut down. We just put it at the back of the property, and they usually come in a couple of days and pick it up. And they take it to the recycle plant where they run it through a chipper. Then you can go there and use it for mulch, or they compost, and you can even go there and pick up free compost.